Today we have the 2019 Tesla Model X. This vehicle has done just under 45,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. On our user interface, we're met with navigation as a feature, and if we click the Tesla icon in the bottom right, we can access our controls, pedals and steering, suspension, charging, autopilot, safety, service and software. Within safety we have advanced features such as a pin to drive and a glove box pin. If we go into software and click on additional vehicle information, we can get a deeper analysis of the vehicle spec. The Model X comes with a camera, and with that you can access your dash cam. If we press here, we can access our climate control, which includes a heated steering wheel and a heated windscreen. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has 6 seats in total, all of which are white leather.